This is how I cook my chicken parmesan. Marinara first para hindi didikit siya sa ating pan. Marinara, chicken, marinara. And then cover it. Bake it to your oven for 380 for 20 minutes. And then you have to take it out after 20 minutes, uncover it, and add your mozzarella cheese. After that, you have to put it back in your oven for another 30 minutes. Make sure guys na hindi masunog ang iyong mozzarella cheese dahil iba't ibang oven ay iba't ibang temperature din siya. You have to watch your cheese na hindi siya burn, okay? So, ayan siya kung paano ko niluto ang aking Parmesan cheese. Favorito ito siya ng aking pamilya dahil masarap siya and hindi na ako pupunta sa Cane's para sa chicken ng mga bata. Minsan kasi they love chicken but I have to go buy at Cane's. Ayan siya guys. But this is the only chicken parmesan na gustong-gusto ng mga dalaga ko. Ayan siya. Sa ating chicken naman, i-dry mo siya guys para i-dry and take out all the fats. After that, maglagay ka ng packet sa middle niya para dyan natin ilagay ang ating mozzarella cheese. Ayan siya. And after that, you have to season your chicken. I use garlic salt. Gustong-gusto ko yan sa garlic salt guys dahil may garlic na, may salt pa. Of course, it's garlic salt, Jennifer. And then dust it with black pepper. That's it. And ilagay mo si mozzarella in between sa packet niya. Ayan, si mozzarella para masarap na masarap siya guys. And then you have to bath your chicken and then fry. Before frying your chicken, ang gagawin natin is i-bath natin siya ng 3. So, ito ang almond flour, siya ang first bath natin, and then we have to transfer it to the eggs, and then the third bath is ang ating parmesan in breadcrumbs. Ayan siya. After matapos yung 3 baths, we are going to fry it, and make sure guys, just matouch yung brown niya, and then flip it to the other side para hindi siya masunog. So, ito pala si almond flour ang ginamit ko, hindi yung all-purpose flour. Para healthy naman ang ating chicken parmesan. So, ayan siya before natin i-layer sa ating pan. And then, put it in the oven for 380 degrees for 50 minutes. And that's it. Enjoy my parmesan chicken, guys. So, ganito mag-layer siya. Marinara sauce, chicken, marinara, and cover it. And you have to put it in the oven for 20 minutes. Take it out and cover it. And put it back to the oven. But that time guys, lagyan mo na siya ng mozzarella sa toppings niya para maganda at mas masarap pa siya. So for 30 minutes, ilabas mo siya, ready na ang ating chicken parmesan. So ayan lang siya, very simple siya guys and very masarap. Juicy, cheesy, soft, masarap talaga siya. It's very easy to serve my family every meal. Magawa talaga ako ng salad. So, itong salad guys is just calamari olives, cucumber, lettuce, tomatoes, at si artichoke heart. Ang dressing na ginamit ko dito is my favorite, light balsamic vinaigrette. Ayan lang siya. And then, ito na ang pinaka-delicious looking na chicken parmesan. Ang ating quinoa salad na I made it 2 days ago. Ayan, buhay pa siya guys. And ang ating masarap na strawberry cake for our dessert. So ayan lang, very simple dinner, very simple lunch. Kung meron kaming pagkain na leftover, I will serve it guys. At I want to make sure na meron kaming salad. So ayan siya. I-serve natin si Highness first, okay? Gutom na si Highness and then followed by my kids. Ganyan talaga sa bahay, guys. Siya ang maunang pakainin ko. Dahil minsan kasi itong mga bata hindi bababa. Wala nga silang breakfast, hindi mag-breakfast, hindi mag-brunch, hindi mag-lunch. Pero ngayon, gutom yata itong isa dahil sabi ko may chicken parmesan. Na-miss na niya ito. Ito siya, oh, ready na. Gusto pa niya maraming sauce. Sabi niya, sauce mommy, sauce mommy. So, ayan si chicken parmesan. And now that has taste. Ayan, tingnan natin kung masarap ba. But I'm sure ito'y masarap guys. I'm sure. Sure na sure ako na ang chicken parmesan ko is very yummy. This is Parmesan chicken. I slice the tummy and I put mozzarella cheese. So when I make marinara sauce, I make sure that it's a lot. So that if I make like this, chicken parmesan, spaghetti, pasta, chicken parmesan, I can use my marinara sauce. I usually cook a lot of pasta and then serve it for the next day and the next day and the next day until it's finished. Sometimes it's not. If I cook spaghetti, I make a lot of sauce so that like this, I can use it. So our sauce, guys, is from the leftover from 2 days ago. So what I made is so yummy and healthy too. So yummy. Everybody's happy with my chicken parmesan. It is so good. Bath with a flour. I use this almond flour, and then bath with eggs and bath with parmesan and breadcrumbs. Ayan guys, so it's so yummy. So this is my secret. So we have a very delicious dinner tonight. When you fry the chicken first, I bath my chicken with this almond flour. I bath and then transfer it to the egg and transfer it to the parmesan plus breadcrumbs and fry it. Fry it guys, just brown your breadcrumbs and the flour, everything just brown. Do not make it very dry, like dark. Just brown it and then flip it over and that's it. It's crispy. Sauce first and then top with a chicken and another sauce and bake it. I cover that one for like 20 minutes and then take it out, and then I take off the cover and then put some cheese and then bake it for another 30 minutes. So that's it. It's so yummy for 300 degrees. So you have a good dinner. You slice the chicken, top it dry, and then slice all the meat, slice all the fat, and then slice in the middle and insert your mozzarella cheese and bath with this almond flour, the eggs, and the parmesan and breadcrumbs. So yan, and then you fry it. Thank you for watching my video. If you want the description, click here and please click the notification bell as well. Thank you very much. Cheers!